The landscape shape is one of the two page shapes that are selected when printing. This landscape shape is elongated sideways or horizontal. In general, when printing slides in PowerPoint, one page for several slides is printed, namely portrait or vertical. How to print or print landscape on PowerPoint. The method is very easy. First of all, open the Microsoft Office PowerPoint file which we will print in landscape form. After that, go to the Print menu by pressing Ctrl and P on the keyboard or click File, then select Print. To be able to print several slides on one page in landscape form, you must first change the print layout. Select Notes page or Outline. After that, change the orientation from portrait to landscape. Then select the number of slides that will be included on each page. The method is to enter the print layout, then select how many slides will be included on each page. There are 9 options that you can choose from. After making sure everything is the way we want, the next step is to enter the printing for printing process.